Hi, today we're going to look at swirls. You can use swirls to fill in patterns. It can also be used as a simple design for children or for adults who don't want too much mehendi. So you can start off with a dot and then work round, or you can work round and then go into a dot. You can do a swirl going backwards. And the same again, going the other way. You can have a standalone swirl, or just even smooth kind of lines. Okay, so they're your typical little swirls. What you could do is combine the lot together. So we'll do a little swirl. So if you're going to do a little like mehendi pattern like this, just keep the whole shape the same kind of size, so the swirls are all the same as well. Keep your lines quite close together. There we go. Can add to the swirls. You can add dots. Descending dots, possibly. So you can carry on working with this henna strip with swirls. Add more dots. And finish off with just a slight there you have it, my little pattern with using swirls.